Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful lacy square titled Cranesbill Lace Square. And this is a very lacy square and it can be used in our projects for any kind of enhancement, etc. Okay, and it can be used in addition one, and this several squares put together can add beauty to your caps, your dresses, your sleeves, whatnot. Okay, I made this with Aran baby cake yarn with code 3013. So let us go into the video without much delay, friends. Make a magic ring. And in this magic ring, place 3 DC clusters separated by 3 chains. So to make that, first chain 2 for the first cluster, then two incomplete doubles. In some places they are calling this as bobble, but bobble is having a separate finish. Hence, I prefer to call this, when I am doing plain, it is cluster. And when I place a single crochet and work on the wrong side, then it becomes a bobble. Okay, now chain 3. 3 incomplete DCs, and complete. So this is our 3 DC cluster. So chain 3 DC cluster 7 times. We have already made the first cluster. So if we make 7 times, we'll have 8 cluster, and then I'll tell you how to finish this round. I shall complete and get back. I have 8 clusters made. I have to make chain 3 and join. Instead of that, chain 1 and place a half double crochet in the first cluster. So that will bring the chain to the middle of this chain 3 space, and this will be considered as a chain 3 space. Okay, here chain 1 and make a single crochet. Okay, and then chain 5, single crochet in the next chain space. We are not working any stitches on the clusters here. So chain 5 single crochet, chain 5 single crochet in the chain 3 space. They are separate. These single crochets are separated by chain 5 spaces. So continue till the end of the round. Don't make the last chain 5. I shall tell you how to go about it. Come to the end of this round here. So instead of making chain 5 over there, chain 2 and make a double crochet in the single crochet. So that will bring the chain to the center of this space, and this space is equal to chain 5 spacing. Okay, now place a single crochet here in the very same stitch, chain 5 and place 3 DC cluster, chain 3 DC cluster in the next chain 5 space. So you are having 8 chain 5 spaces. In alternate chain 5 spaces, you are going to have 3 DC clusters. That is a corners made, chain 3 and 3 DC cluster. Chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, and the corner, 3 DC cluster, chain 3, So this is, from this corner to this space is one side. So again this corner to the next space. These are the corners. In the sides you have chain 5, single crochet, chain 5. Okay, continue this pattern all around. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here, and here we're not going to chain 5 and slip stitch, but chain 2 and a DC to bring the yarn to the center. So chain 2 and a DC in the first single crochet. Now the chain has come to the center. In this place you place a single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next. If we are working only in chain 5 chain spaces, chain 5 again. Now we have come to the corner. In the corner, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet. This is it. So from the corner, chain 5, single crochet in the next, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, the corner. So I shall complete this corner also. So from the corner, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next. Now we have the corner. In the corner you make single crochet, chain 5, single crochet. So this is the repeat for one round. Next corner, then chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, corner, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, the corner, chain 5, slip stitch and fasten off. So with this round we complete this small particular motif. So I shall complete and get back to you. So I completed this round and slip stitch to the first stitch, single crochet and fastened off. Here we complete the Cranesbill lace square. This is called as Cranesbill lace square. This is a small motif which can be used in any project that we like. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this pattern, the stitch pattern, and hope it will be of help to you in your projects too. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Okay, and do like and share the videos too. Bye for now friends. Have a great day.